Barney's moving
brinks.
apart, but football in the groin had a football in the groin.
Don't cry for me. I'm already dead.
Wow, I'll never drink another beer.
Beer here.
I'll take 10.
And now to announce the winners. The award for outstanding
Got a
animated
false
short
set there,
goes
as you
to
can see.
Itchy
The
Scratchy for their film
it's
For
about a 10-degree
and a Wedding.
turn, and the lock was donated by Chip, and also this pick, which is great. Just feel for the pin that's. There it is.
And now, the winner of the grand prize,
There we go.
Barney Gumbo.
Seems one pin holds it up once you rake it into false set. It's not bad. Fucking great lock.
Oh, you know something, Marge? Not that tough
Peace.
being a film critic.
And, you know, as always, don't break the law.
From now on, there'll be a new
Have a good night.
Barnyard